Model, 2016 Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase, spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 161235. Engine, 2198 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972. 3.